All right. Hey there again, people. So now we're going to be doing some review over finding the limit of a function graphically. Today is Wednesday, so I'm going to open up the Delta Math assignment for you guys today, and then you'll have today and tomorrow to work on it. So this is going to be considered the assignment for both today and Thursday, and then on Friday, you're going to have an assignment that goes over both of these. So, all right, so this gives a graph now. Instead of using a table, we need to find answer all the questions below about the function f of x when x is equal to negative 5. So at x equal to negative 5, the value of the function is 5. But we want to know what the limit is approaching from the left-hand side. So the limit from the left-hand side of f of x is the value the function is approaching on y. So even though the value at negative 5 is 5, the value the function is approaching is 4. And if we're going to it from the right, the value the function's approaching is also 4. Yoda. If these two are the same, then that's the limit of the function as it approaches negative 5. However, the value at negative 5 is different. We'll submit that. All right, cool. Let's take a look at another possible example here. So here we have a function that's a bit more complex. We want to find the limit as x approaches 2. And this isn't a handed limit. It's not left-handed or right-handed. It's just the value of the limit as it approaches 2. So as we approach 2 from the left, it's approaching negative 6. As we approach 2 from the right, it's approaching negative 3. Because those two are not the same, that means that the limit in this case does not exist. If they were the same, then the limit would be whatever value the function's approaching. You can see that it's doing this little animation as it's trying to get to there. And then the last kind of problem that'll be showing up on this is, in this case, you're given a graph and you want to find out, to find all values of a for which the limit as x approaches a is equal to 0. So the function is approaching 0 as x approaches negative 7. Let's see. And that's it, just negative 7 in this case. Submit the answer. Yes. Let's look at another problem. So again, 0. So it's approaching 0 at negative 5. It's also approaching 0 at positive 5 and at positive 7. So there we go. We're just looking for where the graph is approaching that y value, no matter what the x value is, or even if the x value even exists. As you can see, it doesn't even exist at 5 or 7, but the function is approaching that value as it's approaching that x value. So this is the assignment for both Wednesday and Thursday. On Friday, you'll have an assignment that is a combination of the two. So there you go. Make sure that you submit this on Google Classroom, just so we don't have that like cluttering stuff up. But yeah. I hope you guys have yourselves a wonderful day.